Hello, myself Saili Abnay from ZIL Polytechnic Pune Computer Department. Subject name EEC Elements of Electrical Engineering. Professor Arvind Gidde sir. Project name Prepare a chart on comparison of single phase and three phase system. Project abstract. One of the major difference between single phase and three phases that the single phase consists of one conductor and one neutral wire, whereas the three phase supply uses three conductors and one neutral wire for completing the circuit. There are two basic three phase configurations. Theory. One of the major difference between single phase and three phase consists one conductor and one neutral wire, whereas three phase consists three conductors and one neutral wire for completing the circuit. Some other differences are shown. Definition. Single phase, the power supply through one conductor. Three phase, the power supply through three conductors. A single phase wire required two wires for completing the circuit, where three phase requires four wires for completing the circuit. Single phase carries 230 volts current, whereas three phase carries 415 volts voltage. Single phase is also known as split phase, whereas three phase doesn't have any other name. Power transfer capability is minimum in single phase and it's maximum in three phase. Network is simple in single phase and it's complicated in three phase. Power failures occurs in single phase and it doesn't occur in three phase. Efficiency and economically it's less single phase, and three phase has more efficiency and high economically. Some main basics are single phase. The single phase required two wires for completing the circuit, that is conductor and neutral. The conductor carries current and neutral is the return path of current. The single phase supplies the voltage up to 230 volts. It is mostly used for running the small appliances like home appliances like fan, cooler, grinder, heater, etc. Three phase. The three phase system consists four wires, three conductors and one neutral. The conductor are out of phase and space 120 degree apart from each other. The three phase system is also used as a single phase system. For the low load, one phase and neutral can be taken from the three phase supply. Thank you.